Is your car suddenly burning through gas and blowing smoke from the tailpipe while the check engine light glares at you from the dashboard? You might be dealing with a tricky oxygen sensor issue that is messing with your fuel economy. If you plug in an OBD2 scanner and pull the code P2628, it means your vehicle's powertrain control module, known as the PCM, has detected a high voltage malfunction. Specifically, the O2 sensor pumping current trim circuit for bank 1 sensor 1 is sending a signal that is higher than the normal range. In plain terms, bank 1 is the side of your engine that houses cylinder number 1, and sensor 1 is the upstream oxygen sensor located just before the catalytic converter. The whole job of this O2 sensor is to monitor how much unburned oxygen is sitting in your exhaust. Your engine computer uses this exact data to control the fuel mixture, adjusting it constantly if the engine is burning rich with less oxygen or lean with more oxygen. When this code triggers, the symptoms are pretty noticeable. Your engine performance will drop and continue to get worse if left alone. The engine might run too lean or too rich, your check engine light will absolutely stay illuminated, you might see noticeable smoke coming from the tailpipe, and your fuel consumption will spike dramatically. Several different things can cause this code to pop up. The most common offender is simply a faulty O2 sensor or a sensor covered in thick carbon buildup. Other causes could be a blown electrical fuse, fuel pressure that is running way too high or way too low, a vacuum leak on the engine, or a severe exhaust leak. Do not rule out electrical issues like a corroded connector, damaged wiring, or in very rare cases, a completely faulty PCM. Fixing this usually starts with cleaning or replacing that upstream O2 sensor and replacing any blown fuses. You might also need to adjust your fuel pressure, patch up any vacuum or exhaust leaks, and clean out green corrosion from your electrical connections. Before you start buying parts, always check for technical service bulletins for your specific make and model to see if the manufacturer has already released a known fix. If you have done the basic visual inspections, check the wiring for bare spots, and the problem still will not go away, it is time to take your car to a professional mechanic. A pro will use a digital multimeter to run advanced voltage checks, ensuring the sensor reads around 0.45 volts when the fuel mixture is balanced at 14.7 to 1. If the voltage drops to 0.1 volts or spikes to 0.9 volts unexpectedly, they will trace the exact electrical fault. Do not ignore this problem, as driving with a bad air-to-fuel mixture can damage your engine over time. Get it sorted out, and you will be back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next troubleshooting guide.